Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix no signal issue in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, if you turn on your flight mode, then turn it off. After turn off your flight mode, then reinsert your SIM card. After reinsert your SIM card, then scroll down and click on system and updates. After clicking on system and updates, then on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version, and then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and on top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and then enter your password to reset your network settings. It will reset your network settings like mobile data, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, any network settings, but never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other data. After reset your network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.